out in the garage looking at the back of our new tumble dryer. It's vented, it's got a vent down there that you're supposed to put that tube into and then chuck it out a window so it vents out the window. But I'm not going to do that. I bought a sieve in Poundland. I've cut the metal mesh off it and then wrapped some wire around it to hold it tight onto that outlet. And now I'm going to put some duct tape around the edges because these edges are sharp where I've cut them. So I'm just going to cover that over. So that should stop any little beasties crawling in the back there, because that's a rather inviting hole, isn't it? Something like a mouse or a swarm of bees. So that's what that's for, to stop that happening. There we go, covered with duct tape. Its only purpose is to cover over the sharp edges. The actual mesh itself is held in place by that wire strap. The only thing that comes to mind is whether this will get hot enough to cause a problem. It shouldn't. That bit will get hot over there, but we should be okay here. I mean, it had a label on there anyway, so, well, we'll find out, won't we? But that just stopped the beasties going in.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.